actually heat on that, but there was a line about here just trying to come alive, just smoldering through that. There's actually pretty deep water. Needle cast, but like I said, embers at most, especially on this guy. You can see the glowing embers. We did have an upslope wind, south-southwest. So as that burst, I immediately threw it down forward. The saw actually landed like this, upright. And I took 1 or 2 steps back. And at that time we heard the woof. And that's when it engulfed into flames. So at that moment, I even stepped further back at that point, just because I was soaked with fuel. But then I remember wanting to come back to save the saw, because it was upright and all the fuel was coming, you know, it was all this coming out. And I wanted to tip it over to get it all out, drag it, grab water. So I knew I stepped forward, but oh no, step back. Came back to my pack, took the chaps off, and then it was kind of a scramble. I can't remember if I grabbed it or Jesse grabbed it.
I grabbed it. I can't remember.
She grabbed it and tipped it.
And like pulled it down out of where it was burning.
And I had my 2-quart water and I was throwing water at the same time. So that's how I remember now. So yeah, we drug it further. At that point there was no cap, it had melted off, and it was laying in here later that we found. So yeah, we extinguish it, and of course some more branches and limbs were on fire from that. At that point too, I just reeked of fuel, so I took my yellow off as well. Laid it to the side. And then that's when I decided to call our duty officer. We had cell service.
What was your thought process in throwing the saw?
I think it all happened so fast that it's definitely just a natural reaction, I think. Get it out of there. I knew, well, I guess I didn't think about it igniting. I had no thoughts. When I stepped back, I was like, oh man, what the heck just happened? But I did not see it igniting as it did. It was a significant bonfire in the desert using gasoline. That kind of explosion. So
earlier in the day, did you guys go over the risk management?
yeah, before the chainsaw refresher.
Chainsaw
Yeah.
refresher. And so when you came up here and you did just, you know, the saw started pop, did at any time you think about that fuel spewing out at you?
No.
Never thought.
Nope.
Now the risk assessment that maybe you're talking about was the one for the stand down.
Yeah.
So that one was covered some days earlier
On the preparedness review.
in our preparedness scenario.
Okay.
So probably a week earlier.
You guys covered that.
So yeah, basic risk management talks about PPE, starting procedures, fueling, not to hot fuel near fire, step back, all that good stuff. So yeah, this thing definitely was only running for less than 10 seconds.